In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Google Docs. You might be familiar with the classic white background in Google Docs, but did you know that you can customize it to fit your personal style or match the theme of your project? Whether you want a more visually appealing document or need to highlight certain sections, changing the background color can significantly enhance your document's look. Now, let's dive into the steps to make this simple adjustment. First, you need to open the Google Docs document you wish to edit. This is your starting point. Ensure that the document you're working on is open and active. It may sound straightforward, but it's the fundamental step to get us going. Once your document is open, you'll want to direct your attention to the top menu bar. There, you'll click on File. This menu contains several documents and page management options that we're interested in today. From the File menu, navigate to Page Setup. This option is usually towards the bottom of the drop-down list. Selecting Page Setup opens a new window where we can manipulate various aspects of our document's layout. Inside the Page Setup window, you should see a section labeled Page Color. This is the focal point of our task. It allows setting a background color beyond the default white. Don't worry if you're unsure at this point. Selecting a color is easy and offers many options, which we'll explore in the next step. Next to where it says Page Color, you'll see a colored circle or a drop-down arrow. Clicking on this will bring up the color palette. Here, you can choose from the standard colors provided by Google Docs. But if you're feeling creative or need a specific shade, you can opt for additional options. For those who want something beyond the standard colors, click on Custom. This will allow you to enter a specific hex code or use a color dropper for a precise color match. This flexibility ensures your document color perfectly aligns with your vision. Now that you've chosen your desired color, the final step is to apply it to your document. Click OK, and the background color will be applied across all pages of your document. This provides a consistent and professional look, perfect for whatever your needs may be. And there you have it, a quick, easy way to personalize the background of your Google Docs. With just a few clicks, your document can stand out and convey the mood or theme you're aiming for. Remember, you can always revisit these steps if you feel like making changes down the road. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps make your documents as visually striking as you need them to be.